What if your cat has been waiting years for something, and you are not a bad owner? The thing your cat is waiting for is not food, not toys, and not anything you can buy. They have been reading you, studying you, building a map of your soul every single day. Today, 5 quiet things your cat has been waiting for. The last one is the hardest to give. Subscribe now because by the end of this video, tonight will be the night something changes at home. Thing 1. A high place they are allowed to own. Your cat climbs the fridge, the bookshelf, the very top of the cabinet, and you pull them down. In the wild, height is not luxury. It is life insurance. Your cat is running a survival program. I used to pull my cat off the counter nightly. My vet said, give her a throne instead. Tonight, clear one high shelf. Make it theirs. Do not put anything on it ever again. When they own a throne you respect, their stress drops. They stop hiding. They finally watch the world. Thing 2. The quiet test between you. Your cat sits a few feet away, not touching. You reach out to pet. They leave. You failed a test you did not know you were taking. The test was over before you reached out. Dr. Moule Delgado at UC Davis studied this. Feeling trust is built most through proximity, not contact. When your cat sits near, they are asking, can I trust you to let me just exist here? Next time they sit near you, do nothing. Let the silence hold. Let them come closer or not. If this is landing with you right now, hit like because the next 3 things are even more subtle. Thing 3. A hello that respects the nose. Imagine a giant running up and hugging you before saying hello. That is a head scratch. A cat reads the world through smell first. Their nose is 14 times sharper than ours. Extend one finger to and from their nose. Do not move. Wait for them to close the distance. When they bump their nose against your finger, that is a yes. That is their green light back. Do this every single time you meet. Even at home, you become the most respectful human in their world. Thing 4. Coming down to their world. You are a titan to your cat. Everywhere you stand, you tower over them like a moving building. A friend sat on her kitchen floor 10 minutes daily. Her rescue started sleeping in her lap. Sit on the floor. 10 minutes. You are not a threat, not a boss. You are a peer. Dr. John Bradshaw at Bristol found cats have no separate behavior register for humans. They treat us as cats. 10 minutes on the floor is not passive. It is the most active thing you give them. Thing 5. Answering a language made for you. Adult cats do not meow at each other. That sound your cat makes every morning was invented for you. Dr. Atso Salato at Sophia University proved cats distinguish their owner's voice from any other voice. They invented one single word, meow, just to cross the gap between 2 species. And you have been silent. You do not need to sound clever. Just answer back. Tell them about your day. Ask about their nap. When you answer a meow, their voice matters. Your house becomes a conversation between 2 species. What to do tonight? Tonight, clear one high shelf. Leave it empty for them. That is thing 1 already done. Sit on the floor tomorrow morning with your coffee. Do nothing. Let them come or not. Next time they meow, answer. Not to teach them, just to talk. That single reply changes everything. If your cat is still waiting, rescues and shy cats can take months to respond. The waiting is not rejection. It is healing. Senior cats may skip the climb and the ritual. Their test becomes whether you notice them at all. Some cats never meow at all. They talk with tail, slow blinks, and where they choose to sit. What they have been waiting for. You cannot buy this love. You cannot rush it. Your cat gives it only when you finally notice. Your cat is maybe 15 or 18 years with you. To them, that is an entire universe. 4 years missed is not lost. They are still waiting. Tonight is still the night something changes. Before you close this video, a high throne, a quiet test, a finger hello, sitting at their level and answering back. Next week, I decode what your cat's slow blink actually means in the language of feline neuroscience. Like, subscribe, and comment. Which of the 5 things did your cat teach you?